Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
What is up, YouTube? We are back. It's been a while. And here we got the Glyph, a smart little device for your iPhone. We'll get back to that. And this is our new tripod we can use with the Glyph and the iPhone.
Yeah, it's a new Hummer tripod.
Star 62.
Yeah, which we will be using for unboxings and reviews and stuff like that.
Just for you guys, so we can get better equipment.
Yes.
Let's look at the Glyph. It's a smart little device that have two functions. It has a little hole here that can be attached to the tripod, so it can be used as a camera. Let's make a demonstration. It can also be used as a the iPhone
a little holding device.
So
I guess you can say
the iPhone can lean up, so you can watch movies and stuff like that on it.
Yeah, and you can even use it in this position.
That is nice too.
Yes. So that's very cool.
And the thing we are gonna use it for the most
is,
let me just like this.
Yeah, so you will put it in like this, and we will screw this on the tripod, so we'll be using it as a camera.
So we can do unboxings steady. As you can see, this unboxing is very shaky and stuff.
But that's why we got the tripod.
Let's take a look at the tripod.
The box, it's a very nice box. I love the box. Nice and long.
Yes.
That's what she said.
I like them long too.
That's what she said.
Let's open the box and see if there's anything inside it. I got the honor to open it today.
Yeah, you did.
Here's a little bag and a green piece of paper.
That is nice.
There's nothing more in the box, sadly. Let's take a look at the paper.
No.
And no. Alright, here's a fine little backpack.
For the tripod.
Hummer back.
Yes, it's Hummer, obviously. And we got the tripod! Yay, success!
In a piece of plastic.
Yeah.
And we got it out of the plastic. Let's see, fold it out. It's a fine little thing, and it was very, very cheap.
It's I don't know if you could say metal feeling. You know, the legs.
I would say it's around $30 and 220 Danish krones. It can do like this.
Yeah, it has very many settings. You know, all the usual stuff.
Here is a water pass, or what you would call that. And here's a little grip.
I don't know what it's called.
Here's a little grip, so it can be used for vlogs also. And here's a little trigger for a fishing rod. Let's just extend it.
Yeah, let's do the legs. Ta-da-da! Here we go. And it's very neat and big.
It can be up to 160 centimeters. And here's a little
hook.
Yes. We don't know what that's for. Here's another water pass.
And the place you mount the camera. You can use a normal camera as well, but we use the Glyph to hold our iPhone.
Very good device, which was also about $30 in Denmark. Let's just put this on, and we can attach the iPhone. And that is.
Okay, a little demonstration here. This is how it's gonna look. It's very neat and very handy for our unboxings.
and stuff like that. Maybe we will use it in our vlogs as well.
Yeah, that could be a good idea.
It's very neat. It can turn around 360 degrees. Let me just harden this.
You know, it's a cheap device, but it's very, very nice.
Indeed.
Indeed it is. So we fold it back up, and this is how it's gonna look. Thank you for watching.
And here's a little slideshow of some of the pictures test we took.